Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will learn how we can use our plugin YITH WooCommerce membership to build a shop to sell products through a credit system, where the customers will pay to get credits that can be used to download digital products. This is a very common business model for shops that sell, for example, stock images, printables, ebooks, digital resources, among others. Now, before we start, please make sure you hit the like button below this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's start! Perfect, guys. The first thing that we need to do is activate our plugin. For that, all we need to do is go over to Plugins. Here, we're going to search for Membership. Here we have our YITH WooCommerce Membership Premium plugin, and we click on Activate. Once we see this message, plugin activated, it means we're ready to go. So first, let's take a look at our shop. Okay, as you can see, in this case, we're selling books with printable activities for kids, and each one for a different price. For example, $6.99, $7.99, $5.99, and so on. But what we want to do now is also offer 3 different membership plans with different prices and different amount of credits. We will create a bronze plan with 50 credits available to download the products, then a silver plan with 100 credits available, and finally a gold plan with unlimited downloads. So, to begin, first we need to create our product with the 3 variations. And for that, we will use the standard variable product from WooCommerce. So, to start, let's go over to New and click on Product. Okay, we can start with the product name, which in this case is going to be Club Membership. Next, very important, we need to set our product as variable. For that, we need to go over here to Product Data, and from these options, we're going to select Variable Product. Okay, now from this menu on the left, we need to go to Attributes to create our new ones. So here we're going to click on Add Custom Product Attribute, and for the name we're going to enter Choose Plan. Also, it is very important that here we click this option to use these attributes for the variations. Now we can enter the values, these ones, so we're going to have our gold with unlimited downloads, silver with 100 credits, and bronze with 50 credits. Now let's save our attributes and let's move on to variations. In this case, we need to select from here the second option to create the variations from all the attributes. Now we click on Go, and now here we can see our 3 variations. All we need to do now is enter the price for each one of them. So let's begin with the gold variation, which is going to have a price of $49.99. Next, let's go over to the silver for a regular price of $15.99. And finally, let's enter the price for the bronze variation. In this case, $9.99. Perfect. Now, before we can publish, all we need to do is set a product image and also a short description. Let's begin with the product image. From here, we click, and I'm going to select this option and set it as the product image. Here we have it. So finally, let's enter the short description. Here we go. Now we are ready to publish our product. So we go over here and we publish it. Now let's go ahead and click on this link so we can see the product. Perfect. This is our club membership product. And let's take a look at the variations. If we click here, we can see the 3 options we created. We have the gold plan for $49.99, then the silver for $15.99, and the bronze for $9.99. Now, we are not done quite yet. We still need to create our 3 different membership plans and associate each one of them to the purchase of one of the variations. For that, we need to go over now to our YITH membership plugin. So let's go over to our dashboard. From here, we find YITH and we click on Membership. Now we need to go to Membership Plans so we can create the new ones. To begin, all we need to do is click on this button to add the new plan. I will start with the bronze membership, so for the title I will enter exactly that. Here we have it. Now we want to associate this membership to the purchase of a specific product variation. For that, we have to enable this first option to allow access to this plan after purchasing a specific product. And then from the next field, we can search here for our bronze variation. Here we have it, the club membership bronze with 50 credits available. Then I want to also enable this option to show the contents in membership details. And next, I want to stop right here. This option, users can download. Here we have either all downloadable products without any limits or using credits associated to products to download. And this is exactly the option I want to show you today. So once we select it, we will find this new field below. From here, we will be able to decide how many credits we want to give to members of this plan, how often we will renew this amount of credits, and what to do with the unused credits. So for this example, users of this plan will get 50 credits. Then here I'm going to enter 30 days, credits will be restored. However, you can also base it on weeks, months, or years. Finally, the unused credits will be either lost or accumulated. For the moment, I'm going to leave it at lost. So for example, if within this period of 30 days, the customer only uses 30 credits, the remaining 20 will be lost, and after this period, another 50 credits will be granted to the customer. As you can see, from this option, it will be entirely up to you to decide how you want to manage the credits. Now, let's continue over here in the permissions section. And specifically, we want to find the products right here to decide which ones we want to allow access to our members. Either all products or that they can only see specific products, product categories, or product tags. In this case, I want to leave all printable products, and with this, we have finished configuring our first membership. So let's go ahead and publish it right here. And now we're going to follow the same steps to create our second membership plan, the silver one. So again, we click on Add New Plan. Okay, here we have our silver membership plan, and in this case, the only difference will be that instead of 50 credits, we need to enable 100 credits for our members. So we scroll down, and from here, this time we will enter 100 credits, again every 30 days, and the same, the unused credits will be lost. Now we can publish this one as well, and one more time, we will follow the same steps, but for the gold membership. We have created our last membership, and in this case, there will be only one difference. If we scroll down over to the option Users can download, in this case, since we have decided that for this membership, the downloads will be unlimited, we don't really need to assign any amount of credits. For that reason, here we will leave this option, all downloadable products without any limit, selected. So again, we're ready to publish. Great. Now, if we go back to our membership plans, we can find here the three options we created. Now, to finish the configuration, let's go over to the general options, and from here over to the shop options. And I will stop right here. How to manage access to restricted products. We can decide that only members will be able to view our printable products, or that everybody can view the products, but only the members can download them. And we're going to leave this option. Then we have this next option to decide where we want to show the download link. If we open here, we will have several options. Let's set it, for example, after the Add to Cart button. And then I want to stop on this other option, which is key when we're working with credits. If you use a credit plan, by default, each product download equals 2. From here, we can decide how many credits will be taken for the download of each product. And this will actually apply as a global rule to all of your products. But don't worry, because you can also override this rule that you establish here at product level. For example, if you have maybe some products that are more expensive than others. But for our example, let's set this global rule for 2 credits for each product download. Now we're ready to save the options so we can see the final result. First, I want to show you the perspective as a non-member. So let's have a look. Okay guys, we're back in our shop, but this time I have access with the account of a non-member. Let's have a look here at my account. As you can see, I have logged in as Kate, and if we go over to memberships, so far we don't have any information here. It only says that you don't have any membership without a subscription plan yet. And this is because we still haven't purchased our club membership product. For that, let's go back to our shop. Here we can access any of the products, for example, this one. And in this case, if we click on this button, Join the Club, we will be redirected to our club membership product. So here, all we need to do is select one of the variations. For example, let's purchase the silver option with 100 credits. Now we add to cart, let's go over to view it, and finally, let's proceed to checkout. Now that we have completed our purchase, let's go back to our My Account. Again, let's go over to memberships, but this time we have now all of the details related to our plan. Here we have our silver membership and the information related to the starting date, the expiration date, our active status, and very importantly, our remaining credits and the date of the next credits update. So far, since we haven't downloaded any products, we still have our 100 credits. However, let's see what happens after we download any of the products. Let's go back to our shop. Let's open any of the products. For example, this one. Over here in this section, you will have all of the information related to the credits. For example, download this product for 2 credits, which is the amount we configured in our plugin, and then you will find how many credits you currently have and how many you will have left after the download. If we click on this button, then we'll find this message that we can now download this product for free and the download button. Let's go now one more time to our My Account, memberships, because here I wanted to show you how the information is also updated in your membership plans. Over here, instead of 100 after the download, we now have the 98 remaining. As you can see, you will have available all of the details of the credits, both in the product pages and also here in your My Account. Remember that if you want your users to pay a weekly, monthly, or yearly subscription instead of a single payment, you can also use our membership plugin together with our subscription plugin. In this case, in order to download the printables, your users will have to pay, for example, $10 a month or $100 a year. The integration between these two products, subscription and membership, is one of the most popular among our customers. Well, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!